My wallet got robbed in a minute. What the fuck? Everyone, back to the Central Boys with me, Federal. And today is gonna be a bit different. As you can see, I'm talking in the English language. So, yeah, because why not change it up a bit? And Imam is kind of busy, so I'm gonna be taking over for today's video. Alright, so we can see breaking news. My wallet got robbed in a minute. I didn't click anything or share anything. Are you guys know how to solve this? Well, rip English first of all. Sobbing in the corner. So we can see that this guy has lost his Ethereum, right? And yeah, it's pretty tragic, and not a lot of people also know what's wrong with it. So people here are hypothesizing and trying to help him, trying to help him to not make the same mistake. He said, I've checked activity, but there's nothing display. Where's my coins gone? Again, rip English. He said, Mas, coba lihat alamat ETH-nya apa, turut prihatin ya. So yeah, basically this dude is saying his condolences and so on and so forth. And he said to use a ledger or a Trezor to make it even more secure. And yeah, he said not to use Metamask. Yeah, you can see the tweet is kind of available, and they said that jangan di-reply ini mah, scam ini mah mau kerjain. Well, he's trying to scam this dude. What an asshole. And there's this one person Rana Mansorvar saying that you can't get back your money. In the first step, you have to send email to OpenSea and say them your wallet was hacked and unlist his artworks. And also change the windows and open another wallet and ask OpenSea to attach your new wallet in your page. Also, this progress for hit at nung. So apparently, hit at nung or hen also suffer the same problem, I think. And so there's a series of hacking involved with your Metamask wallet, and that's something have to do with the websites that has something to do with NFTs. So yeah, and apparently this dude made the ETH site done. He found the transaction, right? You can see right here that an astonishing 0.8 Ethereum has been transferred from the wallet of the victim to the wallet of the scammer. So we can see that yes, the transaction fee is $6.85, and it's using the EIP 1559. It has been covered before, albeit it's in the Indonesian language. EIP 1559 poses its own glitches and problems, which could be, this is my hypothesis, which could also be a factor to this scam right here. And we can also see the address of the scammer or the hacker, that this dude has an astonishing $41,000 worth of Ethereum. You can see it's the transfer here in, see the 0.83 Ether, which happens around yesterday. And yeah, it is very, very sad to know that what is supposed to be safe, it is actually not safe. And this dude said, Wagyu boy, saying also angry looking at this account. This hacker has been hacking a number of people. Stay safe, everyone. Yes, please guys, stay safe. And yeah, it looks like they got a few people and accepted offers on the NFTs. And this dude said the sultanpay.eth, saying that there are two possibilities that the person may accidentally approve or sign the smart contract for a scammer that can take your money away from your wallet. And the second one, that the victim's private keys has been exposed to other people. And you can see that yeah, there's a lot of people hypothesizing on this matter. such as the NFT Explorer, you probably have a keylogger virus on your computer, dude. So sorry for you, but send transactions cannot be reversed as far as I know. Of course, crypto, you can, reverse crypto transactions. My girlfriend had this with the kukai scheme, lost a lot. I hope you had the majority of your coins on an external wallet, which is, yeah, like this dude said that the kukai scheme means it happened in the Ethereum and the Tezos blockchain ecosystem, which is very, very sad. So therefore, I urge you all to put your cryptos in an external wallet to keep it safe. And as everyone knows that you can link your Trezor or your Ledger wallet with Metamask, so not only you can freely use your Metamask wallet, but it's even more secure due to the fact that your coins are stored in an external wallet. So yeah, if we can scroll down right here, it's just a bunch of people saying that, oh, I'm sorry to hear that, I'm sorry to hear that. Thoughts and prayers, blessings, or whatever. Smooth, like keep your head strong, so on and so forth. And oh man, it's scary. I'm gonna change my wallet. I'm sorry for your loss. So yeah, it's a lot of people saying that. But with that said, I think this is all the content for now. I can urge you, because of this, I urge you all viewers, in case that you feel that your Metamask wallet might be compromised, I urge you all to buy a hardware wallet so you can store your coins safely and therefore free from any form of hacks. And with that said, I hope you like the content that I'm bringing to you today. The Central Boys, signing out.